Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I have with me a special guest that is going to talk to us about Lone Star books. So this is Jack.
Hey, guys.
So he's read several of our Lone Star books. So how many books do you have to read in order to qualify to go on the trip?
7 books.
7 books. And how many have you read?
I've read 26.
26 books. So he has read every single one of the Lone Star books. He's a fast reader, so you still have plenty of time to qualify for our Lone Star books. So out of all of the books, what has been your favorite one so far?
Definitely, I would have to say The Parker Inheritance.
And what was that about?
This book is like a mystery, suspense, epic book kind of set back in the days of segregation. And it kind of time lapses from present day to the past. In the past, it's about people getting beat up and stuff of that nature. There's one scene where they get into a bloody fight in a parking lot. Somebody ends up losing an eye. It's kind of epic. And then in the future, they're trying to solve a mystery for a cash prize of a couple $1 million. So I don't know about you, but that sounds kind of epic. So this meant very suspenseful, kind of switches back and forth with like different perspectives, that kind of thing.
Yeah, so I did read Parker Inheritance too, and I read it strictly based on the fact that so many people had come in and said that they did enjoy it. It was a great mystery. You do not know really what's going on until the very end. And like I said, they're trying to solve this mystery to get the money, but also to clear somebody's name, which is always a good reason to try to figure out the mystery. So hope you read this Lone Star book and several others so that we can have lots of people qualified to go on the trip. So This is Miss Ivy
and Jack
coming at you from your Wayside Library.